Janeman, I saw it in California, and
Oh, yeah?
I tweeted about it immediately that after the song that these guys they must do a movie together,
Movie together,
Varun
yeah,
and Pariniti. Is and lot of the audience of the people, the followers, they started saying the same thing as well.
Correct.
Can we see something like this in the near future with the sort of chemistry that you guys have?
For sure. I think Varun and I are just waiting to happen. Like, I think it's a pair waiting to happen on screen. Let me rephrase that.
Right.
It's a pair waiting to happen on screen. I think our energies are very similar. I think the way we both will perform and the spontaneous roles that we both can do, our energy even on stage, I think it's very similar. So I think I know a lot of directors, I think, who are thinking of us, and I'm sure we'll do something together very soon.
In fact,
Varun is dying to work with me, guys. Please understand this.
okay. In fact, as you're seeing right now, that Pariniti is looking beautiful as ever. But the fact is that she has travelled last night immediately after the concert, and the sort of grueling session that these guys have had, it's definitely not easy. The glamour seems all fun and game, but it is definitely not. मैंने आपसे press conference में भी in fact मैंने आपसे पूछा था. It's definitely not easy. The time zones shift. Now we're gaining 2 hours here.
Yeah, I'm actually quite zoned out. Honestly, my energy only comes back on stage. I've never been so physically exhausted. We're all bruised all over. All of us are hurt. Our hips are hurting, and we've got muscle pulls, and we're changing time zones every single day, being in a flight every single day, doing techs and rehearsals and the show within 24 hours. I literally wake up every day, and for a second I don't remember where I am. I have to figure out which city I am in. Yeah, so it's definitely taken a toll on us, but the response to this show has been like fantastic. We expected people to enjoy it, but the kind of stuff that we're hearing, the kind of stuff we're seeing online, the kind of jam-packed arenas that we're dancing to, it's just crazy. The noise that we hear when we dance, it just made us realize that there are people out there who love us. They're loving watching us, and it just brings back all the energy. So yes, it's all glamorous and it seems very beautiful and fun in games, but it's very hard, very, very hard to bring it together, and we have to make it look effortless and fun on stage.
Exactly.
But we love doing it, I mean, we're not no complaints. We love doing it.
No, absolutely. Your best moment so far in the entire
I think the San Jose show was really amazing. I think the response from the people was really nice. But I think my favorite thing that I'm going to take back from Dream Team is this gang of actors who have become, like friends and family. We literally eat together. We're in the gym together. We're rehearsing together. We're traveling together. It's just become like a family, and I'm really going to miss them. Tomorrow is the last show, and I'm already dreading going back to Bombay because it's become our life now, and I don't know what I'm going to do. We should do a Dream Team party once we go back.
Sure. All the boys are literally just swooning over you guys, you and Pariniti, and you and Alia and Katrina, and but there are a lot of girls who are literally drooling over Aditya Roy Kapoor and Varun and Siddharth. How do you react to that Dr. Preeti in Chicago? I spoke to her later in the evening. I captured it on mobile and we put it up as well. Yeah. It was something.
She's crazy about him, na? She's crazy. But I'm very used to it. Yeah, Adi. I'm very used to it. I've done films with all of them, and they are such handsome, beautiful boys that this happens all the time. Like, we are constantly looking at girls falling, crying, fainting. Yesterday we reached the hotel, and there were these 2 girls who came to meet Varun, and they were howling. When they see Sid, people go mad, like right from aunties to kids, they go mad. And the 3 girls are just sitting and waiting for the guys to react like that. It's fine. Yeah, I mean, they're beautiful boys. Why wouldn't they have this kind of attention? And we're enjoying it. We're enjoying all this love that we're getting from, in Bombay, we're cocooned. We don't really know what's going on. And we come out here and we see crowds like out. Today, I couldn't get out of my room because there was such a big crowd outside my room. And it just makes you feel so good. It makes you feel so loved and like motivated.
No, in fact, the hotel right now as well, we were seeing all the fans. Just totally. Last question. There are a lot of behind the scenes people who just work relentlessly, be the dancers, be the choreographers.
Yes.
And the amount of effort that they put in is many people they don't even come to know about it. Like say managers like Ronali, for example. I'm seeing her traveling. She sits in front of me and she's sleeping in the aircraft.
Poor thing.
Would I have to say something about these guys, because I think they are in a way as much part of a dream team as the entire big guns as well.
They are a more important part of Dream Team than the actors are. I honestly feel. Yes, we have to perform on stage, but for us to just stand there and dance for 8 minutes, it's only because of all these people working backstage. The choreographers, Binny and Puneet, Aradhana and Alpa from No Bakwas and their team, the Matrix girls taking care of all the other actors, Runali for me, my staff, every actor's staff, all the dancers who have to sit and pack up those humongous props, carry 350 suitcases every night in the flight, traveling, dancing for 2.5 hours live on stage, rehearsing all day with 8 actors. This is a magnum opus production, and I think it's been a huge success, even if we make 0 rupees on it. I think it's a landmark event, honestly. The size of the production, the number of people that are working on it. We've had struggles, we've had good days, we've had bad days, we've had drama, we've had people just stand up for each other. There's so much that has gone on, and all of that is coming on stage. So we feel so proud that we are part of, the first of a kind. I mean, the last tour happened 12 years ago. The last successful tour happened with Temptations, and after that, it's the Dream Team, and it's so nice to see that people are reacting and accepting it, because that's all we wanted. We've worked on it for the past so many months, and we only wanted acceptance and love, and we've got it like manifold.
So thank you, Pariniti, and all the best wishes for your show tonight, and Nivak
Thank you.
as well. And thank you for taking our time. Thank you.
This very chair, so you have to vacate it so that I can do my entry now.
I'll do that. So that's all we have from Bollywood Hungama.
Keep on
watching.